Okay, so this is the front cabin and we have a sunroof. We have the head with a sink. Can't actually use it at the moment because we're on land, but then we have...
God, you really made that difficult for yourself, haven't you, mate?
Oops. Storage, hanging storage, shelves, so we've got some of the clothes. And then in here, in the main salon, we have 2 berths there, 2 berths there. Oh, actually that's 3 when that falls down. Yeah. We have a happy kitty exploring everywhere. He's already claimed 2 bunks. We have the quarter berth and the chart table and more storage. We have an Allen. We have a sink. We have a 2-in cooker. And we have more storage. Excuse me. Outside on this side we have storage for fishing gear and ropes and things. And
Yes, we have gas.
this is the outside. Oh, we have gas, we have water, we have the ability to make coffee, we're all good. And our neighbours speak English because they are English. This is for my parents.
Oh, okay.
So that's us, and I'll speak to you later.